Hello everyone, welcome back to Mohana Astrology. Rajshri here, and in today's video I have decided to put together all the information about transits of 2021 together in one place. I thought this will be good to have all the information in one video so that everyone can refer back to this whenever there is some transit that's happening, to see what's happening, when it is happening, and through this we can actually have a snapshot of the entire year in one place. So let's see what's happening in the sky in 2021. In this video, I have also jotted down all the dates of the eclipses, both solar and lunar eclipses. And there are certain planetary conjunctions, special planetary conjunctions that's happening in the sky in 2021. I have, put the dates for those as well. And then, I'm just hoping that I haven't missed out on anything. The year 2021 starts with all the planets within Rahu Ketu axis except for Moon. That is, formation of Kal Sarpa Yoga is there in the beginning of the year. On 10th and 11th of February, all the planets except Mars are gathering in the sign of Capricorn. And this reminds me of another transit, the great conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter on 21st of December this year. And you know what? This transit, this conjunction is happening after 800 years. And how is that so? Because it is happening in the sign of Capricorn on winter solstice day, that is on 21st of December. And that is happening after 800 years. I discussed this as the beginning of a new era for the entire world in my Jupiter transit video. Please do listen to that. I'll jot down the link in the description box. Do subscribe to my channel to know about the upcoming transits of 2021 and also to know about various aspects of Vedic astrology on which I post various videos. Now coming back to the important transits and conjunctions of 2021, on 28th of March, Rahu and Mars are forming exact conjunction. This creates some unsettling, disturbing energies around us. However, with Jupiter's aspect on it, it can be controlled quite a bit if we want it, and this energy becomes manageable. I mentioned this in my earlier Rahu Ketu transit video. If you want, you can listen to that as well. I'll mention the link in the description box. Now, on 14th of December, Mars and Ketu are forming exact conjunction in the sign of Scorpio. This conjunction is not aspected by any benefic. Rather, Rahu is of course aspecting it, and then Sun is present there along with Mars and Ketu. So this rather is a more intense energy to handle, and we all need to be very careful during this time. This can trigger natural and man-made calamities all over. When I was going through the retrograde transits of 2021, I found that Mars is of course not retrograding in 2021. It has gone retrograde in 2020, so it's not going to happen in 2021. And there is something very different in 2021 as far as the retrogression is concerned. For Mercury, Venus and Jupiter, all three planets are going back to their previous signs while they are retrograding. It's only Saturn which is staying put in Capricorn in its own sign, very powerful, but it is not moving back anywhere. So the whole theme for 2021 is to look back, to take a stock of what has happened, to learn from there, to salvage what can be salvaged, and to finish some unfinished job and to build from there. In 2021, Saturn is all powerful. Rahu and Ketu are in the exalted and their own signs respectively. So the entire year is being controlled or rather governed by these three planets. When Jupiter moves to Aquarius, he will initiate growth, social reforms, and overall prosperity. There is also an unmistakable indication for spiritual growth for the right kind of people in 2021. I have added the slides of various transits, including direct and retrograde transits, eclipse dates, and special conjunctions at the end of this video. Please go through those and come back to this video whenever you need to refer back to any conjunction date. It's all in one place for everybody's benefit. So enjoy the video and enjoy the slideshows. Stay happy, stay safe. Wish you all a very happy ending of 2020 and a much better 2021 coming forward. May God bless us all. Thank you.